In this video, we're gonna review Fix-It Sticks. I'm Harrison with Harry's Holsters. Today we're talking about the Fix-It Sticks, which I've been using for a couple of years. Really cool product. There's some upsides, some downsides. We're gonna go over them today. So they come in this really small little handy case, fits great inside, like this Lynx Defense pistol range bag. This is a made in America product, by the way. Unfortunately, this is not, but there's really not much competing with it that I'm aware of. So the Fix-It Sticks, when you get them, they come with this little T-handle here, and they come with this torque limiter, which is the most unique part about this. They have different ones, different versions for rifle, pistol. They also make these for bikes. And this one has 0, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, and 65 inch-pounds marked. So it just fits on this right here. You can put a bit inside it and works really well for things like tightening down this optics plate on this Glock. You can then take your paint pen, mark where you've got your screws right beside the plate to see if anything's gonna loosen up. But you really need to have proper torque on your screws, and this device just makes it easy. It's easy to have with you at all times. If something starts loosening up, you can go and apply that torque. You can also easily check your gear using this. One thing I don't like about it is the bits that it comes with are fairly cheap. If you're really serious, buy a couple extras from them or get high quality bits of the same size, you know, your T20s, your T25s, your hex bits, whatever you're using. Order those separately from a reputable bit manufacturer. But overall, I can't suggest this product enough just to have with you in your range bag. Easy to take with you everywhere, doesn't add a lot of weight, and works really well. Hope you guys have found this video helpful, and remember, take charge and carry with confidence.